$4. It is a deal. You pay $1 for 15 and almost for 4.
Yeah, but I only have $6 here. I only got 6.
Well, you could go spend it. There's a lot of money stuff.
Daniel's quite the salesman.
It's good. I'll give you more. This kid says that it's really good. Good stuff.
So did you sell her on product here? Oh, look, the exchange of money. She even got more chips.
It was a bargain. I said more chips and
more chips, and then
I'll do it.
got the chicken dip. Awesome, awesome.
Yeah, pretty awesome.
We got twins right here, Nathaniel and Caroline, selling at the same table.
I'll give you
So you have Fruity Pebbles and Cocoa Krispies.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of just the regular Rice Krispie treats, you took it to a new level, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, got it. I'm gonna have to try one. Which one do you recommend?
I like the Fruity Pebbles, but if you like chocolate, I'd go with the Cocoa Krispies.
Okay, okay. Let's see what I can do.